Hey lovelies, sandraivyrose here. Well, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful Christmas decorations using mostly Dollar Tree items. So be sure to check out my other Christmas video as it's part of my Christmas series. Alright guys, well let's get started. I'm using 3 of Dollar Tree's palettes. And to adhere them together, I'm going to be using the painter's stick. I got those from Home Depot, and we're going to apply hot glue to it to keep it in place. In the next clip, you'll see I'll be using these wooden pieces for legs. Well, if it's your first time here, well, welcome to the channel. Please consider subscribing. I have more wonderful projects to show you guys, especially for the holiday season. And don't forget to click on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I upload on a weekly basis. And if you're enjoying the video, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And all my returning subscribers, thank you for watching. We're using Waverly chalk paint in the color Elephant. It's a dark gray color, and I'm going to be painting the entire palette with this beautiful color. Alright, we've just finished painting our beautiful palette, and now we're going to be using candle holders from Dollar Tree and place it on there and using florals to decorate it. Alright guys, we're all done. Our first DIY is complete and it turned out beautiful. It's easy and simple and budget friendly to make, and you can place this beautiful palette on any table, in your console, in your dining room. Such a beautiful piece. Let me know what you guys think. Next, we're moving on to the second DIY. I got this beautiful picture frame from Dollar Tree, and we're going to be removing the back because we need the paper inside, and we're going to be painting it for our background color. And the color we're going to be using is called Jet Black and it's an acrylic paint, and we're just going to be painting it and let it dry. Next, we're going to be making our Christmas tree, and I'll be using these beautiful mosaic glass tiles from Michael's. First, we're going to be mapping out our template, and then we're gonna hot glue it onto the glass. You can use a strong adhesive glue for this to give it a sturdier hold, but in this project I just simply use hot glue. Guys, let me know what's your plans for the holiday season. What do you guys plan on making as far as arts and craft, or going to see family members? What activities are you planning for you and your family? Drop a comment down below. Guys, don't get stuck on making the tree perfect. It doesn't have to perfectly aligned. It'll still come out beautiful, as you'll see in the end. Alright guys, the tree is all done and I'll be putting everything together. I think it came out beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one of these two Christmas decorations was your favorite. It was so much fun making these projects, guys. Well, thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.